Good morning, children. Open your New Sparkle Semester Series, Standard 1st Semester 2nd book. Yesterday, I have completed the lesson that is Fulfi the Rabbit. And I asked you to read the lesson and write the words for 5 times. Today, exercise, page number 26, exercise, I will give you the question answers. So, answer the following questions in one sentence each. Who was Fluffy? Fluffy, yes. Take down. Who was Fluffy? Fluffy was a little rabbit. F-L-U-F-F-Y. Fluffy was W-A-S was a little L-I-T-T-L-E little rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Fluffy was a little rabbit. Now, question number A is over. A, who was Fluffy? Second one, where did Fluffy live? Where did Fluffy live? Fluffy lived in a burrow. Fluffy lived in a burrow. F-L-U-F-F-Y. Fluffy lived, L-I-V-E-D, lived, in a burrow. B-U-R-R-O-W. Burrow. Then, third question, when did the children come to play? The children came to play every evening. The C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children came, C-A-M-E, came to T-O-2, play, P-L-A-Y, play every, E-V-E-R-Y, every evening, E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening. How did Fluffy behave on seeing the children? D1. How did Fluffy behave on seeing the children? Fluffy hopped, rolled, and ran about on seeing the children. Fluffy, F-L-U-F-F-Y. Fluffy hopped, H-O-P-P-E-D, hopped, rolled, R-O-L-L-E-D, rolled, and R-A-N, ran, about, A-B-O-U-T, about, on, seeing, S-E-S-S-E-E-I-N-G, seeing, T-H, the children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, T-H, the children. Now, question number E. Not E. Yes, question number E. What did Fluffy eat? See here. What did E1? A, B, C, D completed E1. What did Fluffy eat? Fluffy ate carrots and spinach. Fluffy ate carrots and spinach. F-L-U-F-F-Y. A-T-E, ate carrots, 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 and spinach, 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 spinach. Okay, now E is over. Come to the F1. See the question. When did Fluffy and the children go back to their homes? Yes, when did they go back to their homes? When did Fluffy and the children go back to their homes? F answer. When the sun set, Fluffy and the children went back to their homes. When the sun set. WHEN. When THE the SUN sun, SCT set, Fluffy 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 and the AND and THE the children CHILD REN. Can you see, no? REN. Children went, WNT went, back, BACK back, to TO2 their, THEIR their homes, HOMES, homes. These are the question answers. These are the question answers completed. Now we will go to the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Question number 2, that is. Page number 26 open now. 26. Page number 26. Yes. Second, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. There was a small village near the dash Ganga. Near the dash Ganga. Yes. River. 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 Dash where Fluffy's friend. Dash where Fluffy's friend. There was a village near the river Ganga. RIVER. River. Yes, have you got it now? Now the B1 is the friends. You have to write the names of the friends. Tarun. TARUN. Tarun, comma, Tanya, TANYA. Tanya, comma, Amit, AMIT. Amit, comma, Anuj, AN. Anju, ANJU, Anju and 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 Jim, 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 where Fluffy's friend. Okay, children. Anju, Tarun, Tania, Amit, Anju and Jim were Fluffy's friends. These are the name of friends. Okay. Now C1. There was a big dash tree. There was a big dash tree. Banyan tree. BANYAN. Banyan tree. There was a big banyan tree. D1. Now come to D1. There was a small dash tree. There was a small dash tree. Right here, mango tree. MANGO. Okay. See, there was a small mango tree. The first one is, there was a small village near the river Ganga. Then B1 is Tarun, Tania, Amit, Anuj, Anju and Jim were Fluffy's friends. There was a big banyan tree. There was a big banyan tree. There was a small mango tree. Anju, yes. See here, children. While reading the lesson, if I have said here, where is the friends of, yes. If I have read here Anuj, no. This is Anju. Read here, Anju. Okay. This is the correction what I have done. Anju. Anju, Anju, right. So, now, activity language development. Read each word aloud, repeat them after your teacher, learn the spellings, names of fruits. Learn the spelling, names of fruits. These are the names of fruits. So, apple. A-double-P-L-E, apple. A-double-P-L-E, apple. M-A-N-G-O, mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. Grapes, G-R-A-P-E-S, G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Water, W-A-T-E-R, watermelon. M-E-L-O-N, W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N, watermelon. Then peach, P-E-A-C-H, P-E-A-C-H, peach. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Sweet lime, S-W-E-E-T, sweet, L-I-M-E, lime, sweet lime. Muskmelon, M-U-S-K-M-E-L-O-N, muskmelon, M-U-S-K-M-E-L-O-N, muskmelon, M-U-S-K-M-E-L-O-N, muskmelon, muskmelon. Pear, P-E-A-R, P-E-A-R, pear, P-E-A-R, pear. Pineapple, P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E, pineapple. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E, pineapple. Litchi, L-I-T-C-H-I, litchi, L-I-T, lit, C-H-I, chi, litchi. Chiku, C-H-I-K-O-O, chiku, C-H-I-K-O-O, chiku. Then plums, P-L-U-M-S, P-L-U-M-S. Strawberries, S-T-R-A-W, strawberries, B-E-R-R-I-E-S, strawberries, S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-I-E-S, strawberries, strawberries. Apple, banana, pineapple, apple, banana, pineapple, mango, orange, lychee, grapes, sweet lime, chiku, watermelon, muskmelon, plums, peach, pear, strawberries. This way you have to read. Okay. These are the fruits. And names of vegetables. That is tomato, T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato, T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato, P-O-T-A-T-O, potato, P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Ginger, G-I-N-G-E-R, ginger. Tomato, potato, ginger. Tomato, potato, ginger. Brinjal, B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal, B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. L-A-D-Y-S, lady's finger, F-I-N-G-E-R, lady's finger. L-A-D-Y apostrophe S, finger, lady's finger. Garlic, G-A-R-L-I-C, G-A-R-L-I-C, garlic. brinjal, lady's finger, garlic, chili, chilli, 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 cabbage, 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 coriander, 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 chili, cabbage, coriander, cauliflower, cauli, cauliflower, flower, cauliflower, bitter, 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 gourd, bitter, gourd, bitter, bitter, gourd, turmeric, 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 cauliflower, bitter gourd and turmeric. Sweet, SWEET, sweet potato, yum, sweet potato, yum, 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 green, 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 bees, green peas, peas, green peas, green peas. Sweet potato, yum, green peas, okay. Tomato, potato, ginger, brinjal, lady's finger, garlic, chili, cabbage, coriander, cauliflower, bitter gourd, turmeric, sweet potato, yum, green peas. In this way you have to read and write, learn by heart all the spelling you have to read and learn by heart. Vegetables and also fruits, okay children. The homework will be write question answers from page number 26, question answers 26 to 27. You have to read for 3 times and learn by heart. 3 times and learn by heart. We will meet in the next video. Thank you children.